This saying it can hold up to 1,000 pounds. So I have a total of 14 80-pound concrete bags right here. We're gonna go ahead and put them up. This is my new DeWalt Workbench. It's one of those easy open or quick open workbenches. This is a pretty amazing workbench that I just had to get for when I do like my DIY projects to assemble things or just put things together. I can stand up and keep my back straight, and this guy is amazing for that, especially because it's 1,000 pounds max capacity. It has a limited lifetime warranty by DeWalt, and it opens up within a few seconds. I'm definitely going to demonstrate that to you guys, and then we'll show how the clamps work. I don't have any DeWalt clamps at this moment, but I will use some of the clamps that I do have. So it's saying to be careful here as far as not getting your hand caught when it's when you're closing it and opening it up. And again, 1,000 pounds max. So everything is good as far as the things that I need out of a workbench. I know there's man, I looked at so many workbenches out there. I was just trying to find something that worked really well for me. But once I saw this guy, I think it was 60 bucks at a Home Depot in Midland, Texas. That's where I saw it for 60 bucks. So I just grabbed it because I was out there buying concrete bags for a project and I saw it. So I was like, man, I might as well get it now. It's such a good price. So here it is. Let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you guys how it comes together and how easy it does work. As you can see here, the model is DWST11556. Here it's just got a quick push button, and this is the handle to carry it. Legs just basically stay folded up right here in the back. So I love this hard plastic construction too, so you know it holds 1,000 pounds no problem. And then of course it's all saying be careful so you don't cut your fingers off, which none of us want to do that. So let's go ahead and push this button and see what happens. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and hit the push button, just right up top, right underneath the handle here. Just like that, and it's ready to go. Nice and sturdy, solid. It can hold 1,000 pounds. Let's try it out. And this is the handle here in the front as well. Whereas this, I guess you can carry it by this as long as you don't push the button. And then we'll just put some clamps in here and just show you how it tightens down to whatever pieces of wood you may need to hold in place. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get some clamps in here. Again, I don't have any DeWalt ones, but I got some generic ones, I think from Harbor Freight. We're just gonna get them in place and get a 2x6 on here, just show you how it clamps down, and we'll go from there. Okay, so there you have it. That 2x6 is in place, no problem. You can work all you need to work with, doing whatever it is you need to do. For assemblies, drilling, the clamps hold this guy in place, no problem. It's just going to give me a lot of benefits as I'm working out there in the field. Okay, so let's go ahead and fold this up, see how quickly it goes back down and into place so you can carry it and maneuver it, take it wherever you need. Put it on its side, push the yellow button here that says push, and then you take this arm here and you just collapse it into place. Release that yellow button and it's good to go. Got your handle right here and you just take it wherever you need to take it. We'll go ahead and weigh this guy. We're going to use our Centipede scale here. It holds up to 70 pounds, so let's go ahead and put it on and see how much this thing weighs. So according to this guy, it's about 23 pounds 4 ounces. That's what you're gonna get with this DeWalt collapsible foldable workbench, and I think that's completely reasonable for it being able to hold 1,000 pounds and how quickly you are able to open it up and close it. Okay, and then as far as the dimensions on this guy, the length, basically it's 33.5, and then the width, we're looking at, just like I was saying, 23 3/4, just about 23 3/4. So the height is about 30 3/4, maybe 30 5/8, because the grass that I'm on is taking away a little bit from it. So, but that's the height, just under 31 inches. I'm going to put it through a test here. It's saying it can hold up to 1,000 pounds. So I have a total of 14 80-pound concrete bags right here. We're gonna go ahead and put them up as evenly spread as we can on top of this DeWalt and see if it can hold 1,000 pounds. Here we go, let's do it. Okay, so here we are, 12 80-pound Quikrete bags on the table right now, 960 pounds, and it's holding it just fine. I have 2 more 80-pound bags, so it'll take it up to 1120 pounds. Let's go ahead and add the other 2, or at least 1 more, and then the last one. There we have it. So we have 1120 pounds on this guy, and it holds it no problem. I was gonna climb it, but there's no need to, because I think I've already proven the point that it can handle it. So let's go on to the next torture test. We're gonna run it over with my Ram truck and see if it can handle that no problem. Yeah, but first I gotta take all these down again. A little 5-minute timeout break. Okay, now it's time to do one of the more torturous tests. We're gonna go ahead and collapse it, put it on the street, and we're gonna run it over with my Ram 1500 and see how it holds up. Let's do it. There you go. It cannot handle a truck driving over it, but it definitely can handle well over 1100 pounds. There you have it. All right, y'all. So that's my little torture test there. Let me do my closing thoughts on my new bench here. So that's what we have for our DeWalt Express foldable bench work table. We have 960 pounds of concrete plus about 170 pounds of me. You guys saw my test with the running it over with my Ram. For a workbench that's collapsible, this compact, you can't beat it. Especially if you can find it for $69. I found it for $69. But even if you find it for $99 and you need a workbench, a work table that's collapsible, easy to use, easy to open up, easy to close up, and it's very durable, very strong, the DeWalt Express workbench table is the one for you. So once again, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, comment, subscribe for sure. That'll help me, that'll help encourage me to keep going forward and making more videos for you guys where I can show the actual capabilities of the tools that I like or want to share with you guys. And then of course here at Mastering Mayhem, we're always trying to find the best tools, tech, DIYs, and deals to make your life a little easier and make work a little more efficient. Until next time, Mastering Mayhem only wishes the best for you and yours.